fellow pioneers of human transportation. I'm Yogi Steve. This is ESA, the Electric Scooter Academy, videos about high-powered scooters. This might be one of the best days of my life. So those of you guys who have been following my vlog, especially about my scooters, my Dualtrons, know that my very first really high-end scooter, my Dualtron Ultra, it's got 8,000 miles on it. At 4,000 miles, I attempted to rebuild the stem, the hinge, myself. So, disaster happened. My Dualtron Ultra, the stem failed. And I did it, but I did it in a really bad manner. So I was driving around for months with this loose stem. So I finally, now it's at like 8,200 miles, I had to rebuild it again. I didn't actually have to rebuild it again, but I decided that it was time, and I got somebody to help me. You're gonna meet my friend Ryan. Ryan has become officially the Electric Scooter Academy mechanic, and anything above tires and brakes, he's gonna fix that for me. And if you're in Los Angeles and you need a fantastic scooter mechanic, he is available. You can get in contact with him right now only through me. We're not even really selling it. He's really busy. He's working on a Dualtron X, really old Dualtron Thunder that he's rebuilding. He's working on a Dualtron X that some guy basically crashed into a wall, but this guy can do everything. And he said fixing my stem was a cakewalk, and I want to show it to you. So incredibly happy with everything going on right here. So before I even talk about the hinge or the stem, he rebuilt my clamp. My clamp never really worked that good in the first place, whatever brand this is. It never really tightened all the way, but he replaced some of these strip screws, and now the clamp is like perfectly on tight. But the hinge is just unbelievable. There's just I can't move nothing. There's no movement at all. The hinge actually feels as good or better than my brand new Ultra, which is sitting right there. That hinge is still perfect at 1,600 miles. So those of you guys who have been following me, especially when I was trying to fix this by myself, know this was a big deal. I told Ryan that you might see a grown man cry when you give me back this electric scooter. So I've already taken it on the road. I've taken it up to 40 miles per hour. You know, this scooter has 8,200 miles on it. The battery is really only rated for about 12,000 miles, 20,000 kilometers. It doesn't mean that it's going to die at 12,000 miles or 20,000 kilometers. It just means that you can expect the performance to be greatly decreased. And not many people ride these scooters as far as I do, so we're really going to find out how long the battery on this will last. Remember, I've had this scooter for 16 months. It has 8,200 miles, and it never had a problem except for in the earliest of stages, before 500 miles, I had a major battery failure, which was covered by warranty. And I expect it to, just keep going and going and going. I'm going to use it for work today for the first time. And, you guys should know, I do have a local mechanic now for us in Los Angeles. He's actually out in Inglewood, but if you want to talk to him right now, he's a secretive guy, regular guy with a family, no social media, nothing. You want to contact Ryan, you contact me. He can work on any sort of electric vehicle. He's worked on a Super 73. He's already worked on an Onyx, a Dualtron X, a Dualtron Thunder. He's fixed my Ultra stem. He's fixing my Dualtron 2 Limited. I'm very happy because I wanted to learn these skills myself, but it's just too broad of a skill base to learn all the electric stuff. So I'm happy to have somebody to work with me. And if you guys need somebody, talk to me first. I haven't posted this anywhere. Guys, I'm Yogi Steve. This is ESA, the Electric Scooter Academy, videos about high-powered scooters. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment down below. Thank you very much. These are the dogs. This is the sleeping dog. What's up, Max? Say hello. Wake up, wake up. This is the pain in the ass dog. This is the other sleeping dog. Thanks, guys.